What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, just a two motherfucking. I've been put up on Christina Aguilera. We've done one of her live performances before. If you want to see that, it's on the channel. Just type in Christina Aguilera space like JuiiceTV to search that, and it should pop up. But this one is Stormy Weather 2017 at the HMAAHC, whatever. I don't really know what that is. I'm originally link to this video down in the description below, so if you want to go pull up on that and show some love, you can. My vlog channel is also down in the description, so if you want to see my vlogs, my challenge, I got a Smasher Pass coming out, subscriber/fan edition is gonna be funny. Make sure you go put post notifications on over there, Juice Space Vlogs, or you can just subscribe to this channel and watch my reactions. Other than that, let's just jump right into it.
Christina Aguilera.
There's no sun up in the sky.
She can sing, man.
Since my man and I ain't together, I'm very
Oh. Kind of hard to hear, but we good. Okay then. Yeah, that was flawless. Okay then. Do you think, shorty? I ain't mad at you. That's a fast ass 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Yeah, she'll be. She'll clean at this shit. That was flawless. I could seriously run this back, but I got a lot of videos to do, so I'm not going to. If you enjoyed, like the video. Subscribe if you want to. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. And Christina Aguilera, we out this bitch. That was dope. That was hella dope, though. That shit was flawless. She could sing her ass off for sure.